Are you the kind of person who forgets formulas all the time? Perfect. This method for finding the interior angles of any polygon doesn't need one. Watch till the end so you can find out how to use it even with a convex polygon. Let's start with something we know. The angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Now let's look at a four-sided shape, a square. If I draw a diagonal down the middle, I split it into two triangles, and the angles of the triangles lie on the angles of a square. So instead of memorizing a formula, you can just do two triangles, means that you do 2 times 180. This is equal to 360. So the angles in a quadrilateral and this square add up to 360 degrees. Now let's try it with a pentagon. Here we choose a point, and from there we draw a line connecting it to every other point, like this. This means the pentagon is split into three triangles. So to work out the sum of the inner angles, we do 3 times 180. This is equal to 540. That means the angles in a pentagon add up to 540 degrees. If we're working out the sum of the interior angles in a hexagon, we do the same thing as what we did in the pentagon. We pick a corner of the hexagon and draw a line connecting it to every other corner, like so. This means the hexagon is split into 4 triangles. So to work out the sum of the interior angles, we do 4 times 180 degrees. This is 720. Therefore, the angles in a hexagon add up to 720 degrees. For convex shapes, this method becomes a bit trickier. Here, we can't choose a corner and connect it to every other corner. Instead, we have to plot a point somewhere in the middle and connect that point to every corner in the convex shape. Like so. This leaves us with 8 triangles. Now we work out 8 times 180. This is equal to 1440. Then we have to subtract this inner group of angles. This inner group of angles adds up to 360 because it forms a circle. So we do 1440 take away 360. This leaves us with 1080. That means the interior angles of this polygon add up to 1080. Every time you add a side, you add another triangle. The number of triangles is always 2 less than the number of sides. So instead of remembering a formula, just do this. Count the sides, subtract 2, and multiply by 180. This is actually where the formula comes from, but you don't need to memorize it. You now understand it. Try this method on a 7-sided shape. What's the sum of the interior angles? Comment your answer below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Maths Unleashed for more content like this.